this is Avni. Welcome back in our Wizbot series. In today's session, we'll be exploring the next step in our Wizbot journey. Introducing Picto Coding with Junior Blocks. In this video, I'll walk you through what is Picto Coding, and we'll also see how to use Wizbot with Junior Blocks, from setting up the software to connecting it with Bluetooth to trying out some fun and hands-on activities. So Wizbot comes with two interactive coding experiences: button coding for screen-free experience and Picto Coding for visual block-based programming, which means now you can code your Wizbot with laptop and mobile devices too. So let's get your Wizbot in Picto Coding mode. So first, let's turn the Wizbot. Then we'll slide the power button to this side. You'll notice a blue LED light up. That means Wizbot is now ready to connect via Bluetooth. Just a heads up, in this mode, the normal button coding won't function. Instead, you can assign functions for buttons in Junior Blocks. Now, if you haven't used PictoBlox yet, we'll need to install the PictoBlox first on your device. PictoBlox is available in Windows, Mac and Linux for PC users. You can download the software from thestempedia.com. For Android devices, you can download the PictoBlox Junior Blocks app from Play Store. Or you can also use PictoBlox online with PictoBlox.ai. So when you open PictoBlox, you can see the Junior Blocks. Let's click on that. For the first time user, there is a guided tour which will help you to get an overview of the interface. Now to give you a brief, we have a stage, the area where the sprite performs actions according to the script. And the sprite is an object or a character that performs different actions according to the instructions given to it. Then we have blocks. These puzzle piece-shaped objects have predefined commands that are connected to form a program. And this blank space is the scripting area, where we create coding playlist by connecting the blocks horizontally, one after the other. Now let's connect your Wizbot. Once you are in Junior Blocks, click on Create a New Project. You will reach your play space. First, let's choose the Wizbot from the list of boards. Then click on Connect and make sure the Bluetooth is on the Wizbot and as well as on your device. Note that you would be required to download a PictoBlox link to connect via Bluetooth on your PC, which you can download from the website. Now, as you can notice, that new Wizbot icon has appeared. Let's explore what's inside that. So here we can toggle between grid and draw mode. And from here, you can select the blocks of buttons of Wizbot and assign some functions. Now we have blocks for forward step, reverse step, left turn and right turn, and it acts as a directional command buttons. Then we have set LED block with different color options, using which you can make various light combinations as well. Then here there's a LED off block, play sound block and stop robot block. Are you ready for your first Junior Blocks code with Wizbot? Then let's start with a simple task, coding it to draw a square. Now under the Wizbot icon, we'll select the forward step block. Add one step. Then let's add right turn block. And we have to repeat it 4 times. So now for repeat function, click on the control blocks icon and select this icon for repeat. And let's add the number of times we want to repeat. Then we'll add the flag from the events, which means on flag click, the playlist will be executed. Do you remember the heart we made in button coding? Let's do the same with blocks. From Files, open Examples. Then let's click on Wizbot. You will see Draw Heart with Wizbot example. Let's click on that. Exploring this example will help you understand the logic behind the codes. Do you notice a new icon? That is Wizbot Advanced Block, which comes with more precise movement, control and function. To use this, you would need to click on Extensions and choose the Wizbot Advanced Blocks. We also have Wizbot line following extension blocks. We will explore all these in later videos. Now, let's jump in and make our heart shape. Let's toggle to draw mode first. And don't forget to insert the brush pen now. Let's click on flag icon to run the code. Wow, great! See, such an amazing heart. To learn more about Junior Blocks and get familiar, you can watch these videos or click on the link given in description below. I will see you in the next exciting session, but till then, keep exploring Wizbot and Junior Blocks. Create some amazing projects and games. And if you do capture them, put it on social media, but don't forget to mention STEMpedia. Keep exploring, happy learning!